Hello and welcome to the Python tutorial series. My name is Lari, and today I will discuss about the Fibonacci series. So let's see that what is Fibonacci series and how to write the code. So it's a very simple programming term that we generally write the code in C programming and C++. So let's see that how to write the code in Python also. So first let's see that what is the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is actually a number series that will look like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and 21. So the formula for generate the Fibonacci series is every next term will be the addition of previous two terms. Okay, so here you can see the formula like Fn is equal Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. It means previous two terms addition will be the value of the next term. Okay, where the we will initially take two values as input. So by default, your first and second term will be 0 and 1 always. So look at here. So, as we can see here, the 0 and 1, and the next term is 1. 1, why 1? Because the previous two terms addition is 1. Now after that, if we want to calculate the next term, then we will add the previous two. So here we will add this value and this value to get the next term, that is 2. So accordingly, we can get the number of terms according to our requirement, that how many terms we want to generate through our program. Okay, so before writing the code, let's do and let's see that what is the logic behind it. Okay, so first, we'll take two variable, and initially we'll take the value of those variable as a is equal 0 and b is equal 1. Okay, and now we want to calculate the next term. So as we know that the next term will be the addition of previous two. So we'll calculate the next term like c is equal a plus b. So we'll get the next term as 1. Okay, and after that, what we will do, we'll change the value of a and b. Okay, why? Because next term, these two term will serve as a and b. So we'll change the value of a to the previous value of b, and the value of b to the new value of c. Okay, and after that, you will see that a will be become 1 and b will become 1. Okay, next we'll calculate c is equal to a plus b. Then we'll get the next term, that is 2. Okay, because 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. After that, we will do the same thing. We'll change the value of a to the previous value of b, and the b with the next value of c. Okay, it will look like this. Now a will be 1 and b will be 2. And similarly, we'll do the coding further to the terms. So let's do with the program. So as you can see here, a is equal 0. Initially, we'll take a is equal 0 and b is equal 1. Then we will calculate c is equal a plus b. And after that, as we know, as you can see here, a and b will the fixed value, that is 0 and 1 in Fibonacci series. So first we'll print the value of a and b, and will not change the line. So we'll write that end, will update the value of end, and here we will print the value of c. Okay, and don't want to change the line, then again I will write end. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see the output 0 and 1, the initial two value, and the next value is the addition of 2. If we want to calculate the next value after this, then what we will do, we'll change the value of a to the previous value of b, and we'll change the value of b to the current value of c. And after that, we will again find out c value is equal a plus b, and we'll print the value of c. So let's see that are we getting the next value or not. Okay, so as you can see here that 0 1, and after that 1. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so in the same way you can extend your program as many as number of terms, but this is not the right way to write the logic of Fibonacci series. Suppose if I want that it should be 10 terms, so how many times you will write the same code? So if you see properly the code, then you will find that we are repeating the task, some task that is performing every time. What are those tasks? Means just look at here. we are changing the value of A to the B and B to the next value of C, and again we are calculating the value of A plus B. So we can ask the user that how many terms you want to generate through the Fibonacci series. So here you can ask the user input, okay, and here you can ask that enter the number of terms, okay. So if user says that 5 terms, 6 terms, so user will input that, and that will be integer, so we'll write into int. We know that how to convert into int. And after that, we'll take the initial value A and B, and here we will execute a for loop that how many times we want. So I in a range, okay, and initially we have already 2 terms we in my uh, initially we have 2 terms in Fibonacci series, so range will execute 2 times less, okay. And after that, we'll calculate C is equal A plus B. Okay, let me copy and paste and print the value. So here, the code that I have already written, I'll cut here and paste. Okay, and after that, we'll change the value of A and B. So I have already written this code. So this one. And since this part was repeating, so I will remove this one. Now execute the code and you will see the output. So number of terms, I want 5. So here you can see that 0, 1, 2, 2, and this is 3. If I execute one more time and I want that it should be 8 terms. So look at here, 0 and 1. Then next term is 0 plus 1. Then next term is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Next term is 1 plus 2, that is 3, 5, 8, 13. So this is the simplest way by which you can generate your Fibonacci series. So this is the whole logic. I hope the whole logic and concept is clear, that how to generate the Fibonacci series through the Python code. Okay, so just do the practice yourself and you will be able to write the code. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share the video, share the views, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.